Hey bud, it's Cars Are Friends, and I was about to change out the cabin air filter in my Honda HR-V, and I figured, let me go ahead and record it. And I forgot to clean up my car, so it's a little it's a little dirty. But anyways, just to get this job going, all you're gonna need is your replacement cabin air filter and a headrest, preferably the one that's on the passenger seat. So let's begin. All right, so to start, we're going to open up the glove box, and the reason why I have it in this angle is because when you open it down, this is the first thing that you need to handle with. The only thing you do is just push it. So I know it looks kind of weird when you're taking it off, but all it is just a little plastic hook on a little plastic bar here. It does bend, so it feels like you're going to break it. It's not going to break. Just push on this part right here. So the next part, even though I have both hands kind of open, I need to juggle this around, and trying to keep it in frame is going to be hard. But the next thing you do is just you need to pinch both sides, and it's going to fall. But unfortunately, because of everything that's in there, it's all going to fall out. So that's the reason why you have the headrest. So I'm going to go ahead and pinch it, catch it before it disengages all the way, and then put the headrest underneath. And hopefully I can catch all that in video. Okay, there we go. And ta-da! It did. So then that will give you access to the back cabin here. And once you have it removed, it's easy peasy. Just take it out slowly. You can see all the goodies in there. And also while you're looking at it, they should have an indicator which way is, there you go, airflow down. Let's get the new one. Here it is with airflow side down. We're going to go ahead and stick the sucker in there. And there you go. It's a good fit. I guess the FRAM filter is a little smaller, but there you go. Okay. With the cover, we're going to pop that sucker in there. And then just close this. Go ahead and put the tab on there, and then you're done. Congratulations, you just changed out your cabin air filter.